Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Brazil. In this video, I will show you how you can solve your login error in Gmail account on your any mobile phone. So let's say guys, you are facing some problem like this, or you are facing any of these problems where you are unable to log in into your mobile phone, and the reason can be that you might have removed some Play Store services, Google services, files or something. But anyways, the solution is very simple. All you need to do is to go to your settings, and when you come to the settings, you need to go to your users and accounts, and here you will find all the applications which from which you have logged in into your phone. It can be your Facebook account, Google account, or anything. You need to go and click on Google, and here you will see all your Gmail accounts which are currently logged in or showing some error in your smartphone. So I want you to click on all of these except the first one and remove them from here. Here you can see here is the remove account option, and by clicking on all of these you can remove them, and just keep the one account on it, and then go and try to log in into that account, and it will be forced to log in into that remaining account. And after you are successfully logged in into that account, you can add the remaining Gmail accounts and they will be logged in successfully. And I hope I was clear in this tutorial, and I hope you got my point, and now you can fix your login error in your Gmails. And for more such videos and tutorials, you can subscribe my channel, and I will see you in next video. Goodbye.